Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started. Tap OK, then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, tap Activate, click Input Options, and select LED keyboard one more time. Over here you need to select one of the options as well and tap on the keyboard that you like the best, for example that one. Now click Get Theme, tap Home button, and when I try to access my keyboard, I can see that it was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!